If you are looking for a way to make money online or starting your own business, then you will definitely want to know how I made $30,000 in just 2 months using only my laptop. Many of you may already know who I am, but for those who don't, my name is Ahmed and I work full-time as an affiliate marketer. I have been making money from affiliate marketing for the past 5 years, and in 2019 I launched my own web design and digital marketing agency called Xanax, as well as a successful community called Xanax Academy, where we help hundreds of people take their business to the next level. The reason why I am making this video is because due to COVID-19 a lot of people have lost their jobs, and I have been getting mails from many of our email subscribers asking us for help. We have already started a campaign on Xanax Academy where we are helping 500 people for 6 months to get success in their online business. But because the campaign's joining fee is $1,200 and there is a limit on the number of users who can participate within 6 months, therefore many of our email subscribers were not able to afford or join the community on time. We are regularly sending emails to our subscribers with access to some of our premium content. But we know that this is not enough because not everyone has the proper skill set and experience to find a profitable niche, build a uniquely designed website, write SEO optimized articles, sell products, and rank website on Google. Therefore, keeping all these problems in consideration, my team and I have decided to start a new campaign in which we will be providing these services. Amazon affiliate, hard but profitable. Hosting affiliate, through which I made $30,000 in just 2 months. Outsourcing and reselling website, my personal favorite. In all these services, we will build, design and provide everything you need to take your business to success. From free SiteGround hosting with 5 premium tools to bringing organic traffic to your site. Plus, you will also have access to 15 of our secret courses. But remember, these services are just available for limited time and for 100 people only. Therefore, hurry up, visit Xanax.com right now through the link in the description.
I don't know about you, but I'm tired of the fake gurus, the buying courses online, the free webinars, the typical BS that you've all seen on YouTube.
Me too.
Now instead, me and another full-time affiliate marketer are going to show you all how to create your own full-time affiliate marketing business from scratch with no paid courses whatsoever.
Come on, don't bullshit me.
And the difference between this video and other videos is that we actively do this for a living. This is how we make money. We don't sell paid courses on the internet. In fact, I've invited another YouTuber. Now, this YouTuber literally documented his entire journey of buying his domain, building his websites, and now his site is generating money every single day. So in this video, there's no secret to it. We're gonna show you exactly what he did to achieve this, and we're gonna share it to you today in this video.
Yes! That's awesome!
And we're gonna go from the basics of building out your website all the way to the end of marketing it and making sure you get traffic for your affiliate marketing business. In this video, we're not gonna hide anything. We're not gonna make you buy a course. We're just gonna give you the tools that you need to build out an affiliate marketing business. So enough talking, let's go ahead and start with this tutorial. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is get your domain and hosting. So for example, my dronereviewwebsite.com or whatever you want. After that, we are going to install WordPress, and WordPress powers more than 1/3 of the internet. It has drag and drop builders. It's really simple to use, so you don't need any sort of experience whatsoever. After that, we are going to install a free theme, and then we're going to show you how to build out the websites. After that, we're going to show you how to create content for your websites, and then we'll go a little bit more in detail about the technical aspects like SEO and optimizing your website, etc. Now, there is a link in the description of this video. It'll take you to a page that looks just like this right here. And this right here is SiteGround.com. Now, I've been recommending SiteGround.com for almost 4 years now because, again, they are the fastest and the most reliable web hosting company with 24-hour customer support and also very fast speeds. In fact, I tested this company against 15 other web hosting companies, and SiteGround came up top 2 as the most fastest and the most reliable. I'm not some BS affiliate who just recommends random companies on the internet like various other blogs. I actually tested this company, so you can be certain that your site's going to be really, really fast and it's going to be up. It's not going to go down on you. And remember, 24-hour customer support. That's very useful, including some phone support as well. So here we have 3 plans. We have the startup, the grow big, and the go geek. And in all of my plans, I recommend the Grow Big, because the Grow Big option, you can host unlimited websites rather than just a single website. And that is a pretty big difference. You also get a lot more web space as well. So right here, you'll click on Get Plan. All right. Now this is going to be your domain name. So for example, youtube.com or udemy.com or siteground.com. This is going to be your new web address. So give it some thoughts, talk it over with your girlfriend, or whatever you got to do, whatever it is that you do, go ahead and figure it out. So right here, I'm just going to do affiliates. Here, I'll just do affiliates marketing tutorial. Maybe that's available. I don't know. Let's check. I don't think so. That's kind of, yeah. I don't think that was available here. But I'll just choose the .nets. So we'll do the .net. So most of you probably want to do the .com, but for tutorial purposes, I'm just going to do .net, all right? Just to speed up the video. I don't want to spend all day choosing a domain name. But give it some thoughts, because again, remember, people are going to see this and enter it on your website. So right here we have different information. So we have the account information, we have client information, payment information, and purchasing information. So just go ahead and fill out the details right here. So the country, right now I'm currently in Bangkok, Thailand, and it's hot as hell in Asia. So I do miss that California weather. Here we have payment information. So this is where you're gonna put in your credit card number. And then right here we have hosting services, and by default it's going to recommend the closest data center to you. And for period, just do 12 months, guys. You save the most money, and you can always get your money back. I mean, this company offers a 30-day money-back guarantee for any reason whatsoever. If you don't like them, if you just think that you don't like the name, for whatever reason, you can always get your money back. Here we have extra services. Now, I'm going to require that you guys check the domain privacy. And trust me, the reason why you want to do this is because if you don't have this right here, what's going to happen is that you're going to get all these spam, you're going to get all these people trying to sell you Russian sex pills and all this really disgusting, crazy stuff in your inbox. And you guys know, you probably received the same. So if you have that checked, people cannot find your personal information. So you want to make sure that you have this checked, because people will not be able to see your personal information, and it will be protected by SiteGround. So go ahead and fill this information out right here. And once you're done, you'll click on this checkbox, which I'm sure you're going to read the terms of service and privacy policy, right? And then if you want to get notices from SiteGround, you can click on that as well. And I'm going to go ahead and fill all this information out as well, and I will meet you on the very next page. All right, awesome. Your account has successfully been created. So once you've actually paid, it'll bring you to this page right here. And right here, you'll click on Proceed to Customer Area. Okay, so this section right here, you'll see your website, and then it'll just say Set Up Website. And what we're going to do now is we're going to install WordPress. And WordPress powers more than 1/3 of the internet, and the big money blogs out there, they all use WordPress as well, because it's really easy to use, it's convenient. Right here it says Start a New Website, just click on Select. And right here we have a few options, and we're going to select WordPress right here. So click on WordPress. Now right here you're going to put in an email and a password. Now remember this email and password, because this is the information that you will need in order to log into your website and to design it and to make changes and to blog. So remember to write all this information down. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this information out right now. Okay, so I filled out my information, and right here I'll click on Continue. Now right here they're offering you a different service, or a SiteGround Site Scanner. Personally, you don't need this if you're just getting started out, but later down the road, once you become big and your blog makes a lot of money, you probably want to get this. But right now I'm just going to click on Finish. And right now it is creating our website. Now while you're waiting, let me know what kind of website you are making in the comments below. I mean, what kind of affiliate marketing website you'll be making. Currently I basically promote a lot of software and web hosting. There's other various, niches out there. In fact, I do have another video on it as well. So let's just go ahead and wait for our site to get created. Okay, so sometimes you get a notice from SiteGround saying WordPress is taking a little longer than usual, and that's okay. This happens all the time. If your installation was successful and complete, you would click right here on Manage Sites. So it'll say you're all set. Click on Manage Sites, etc. But for those of you who got this same error, this is a very quick fix. So right here under websites, you'll click on websites. Click on site tools. So right here, click on site tools. That's actually the faster way to do it, but I just want to show you how you can use this at the back end. It's actually a little bit easier. All right, so this right here is my dashboard. I'm gonna refresh the page one more time right here to get these options to show right here. And if these options don't show, just refresh the page. Sometimes that stuff happens, unfortunately. Right here under WordPress, you can click on install and manage. So right here is our domain that we installed WordPress on. And right here, we can log into admin panel, and you can always go ahead and reset the password, etc. But what you need to do is click right here on login to admin panel. So click on login to admin panel. And this right here is going to log you into your new website so you can actually start to design it and make changes, etc. So right here, it's saying, welcome to your new WordPress website, yada, yada, yada. But right now, I just want to click on exit. And that's it. So as of right now, your website is live on the internet. So right here on the top left, we can click on visit websites. And this right here is your new website. Congratulations. So it looks like crap. It looks like nothing like it needs a lot of work, but don't worry. We're experts. We know exactly what to do to make the site look really amazing, really fast. So right here, click on dashboard. Now there's some various things that we need to change and I want to talk about before we even talk about blogging or any of that stuff. So the first thing that I want you to do right here is go on over here to users and go to your profile. Now right here you have some options to change the color scheme. So when you're working in the back end, you might want to change the color. I like this midnight color. And the most important part right here is changing your password. So whenever you want to change your password for WordPress, this is where you would do it. So right here, generate password, and then you click on update profile, etc. So I don't want to update it, so I'm just going to click on cancel and click on update profile. All right, and also right here, go to settings and permalinks. Now, I think by default now, SiteGround actually has it to post name, which is what it's supposed to be under. However, if your website is not under post name, make sure you select post name. And basically, I bet you're wondering why this matters is because usually when you go to a website, it says, your website dash about us, right? Or dash contact, not 202.202, etc. So this is actually very good for SEO and it makes your website look a lot cleaner. So right here, click on save changes. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to install our WordPress theme. So right here, go to appearance and go to themes. Oh, one other thing I want to talk about before we do that. Under the general settings right here, I get a lot of people who speak different languages. You can change WordPress into virtually any language that you want. So you can change it into Espanol, you can change it into French, Dutch, Portuguese, Chinese, etc. So if you want to go ahead and change the entire layout of your website to your language, this is where you can do it right here. I just do get a lot of requests on people asking me for plugins, and I says, guys, it's actually for free in WordPress. So that's how you would actually change the language. But right here, go to appearance and click on themes. And we're going to click on add new. And right here, click on popular, and I'll explain what these are. So in short, guys, what themes are basically is the design and structure of your website. And you can see here from the various different themes that every theme has a different style. However, with today and new technology trends, page builders today can actually do a lot more than the themes can because the page builders can actually design everything. And the theme just kind of acts as a shell. But the theme that we're going to use today is the most popular theme out there. Now, you don't have to follow what I'm doing exactly, but later down the road, you can switch your themes. You don't have to worry about your site breaking or any of that stuff. But the theme that we're going to use is called Astra. So right here, it's called Astra. You can also get there by just typing in Astra right here. And Astra is the highest rated and the most used WordPress theme out there. So here, Astra. Oh, that's kind of weird. What's going on there? Huh? Let's see, Astra. Let's see here, Astra. Huh, that's interesting. I guess it's being a little weird there, but anyway, so this is the theme that you're going to look for right here. It's Astra. It actually has the best reviews, and it's the most installed WordPress theme for WordPress. So right here, you'll click on install. All right, so it's installing our WordPress theme. And the great part is, guys, all these themes are free, so it doesn't cost you anything. They all have pro versions, and they're all hoping to make money, but that's strictly up to you and your business. But right here, I'll click on activate. All right, cool. So my theme has successfully been installed. Now, you can actually go ahead and check out your website right here on Visit Websites, and you're going to see slowly that the site is starting to kind of look a little bit different. You know, right here we have the bar, we have a sidebar, we have a footer, etc. It looks a little bit cleaner, but there's a lot to be done here. So right here, click on dashboard. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to install plugins. Now, plugins are essential for WordPress. I mean, every single blog out there uses plugins, and my word of caution is don't install too many, because that's a quick way of making your website really slow. But the ones that we're going to install are the essential ones, and they're actually the most popular. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to install Elementor. So Elementor is the actual page builder on what we use to build out our website. So right here we have the Elementor page builder. Click on install now. Also right here we have essential add-ons for Elementor. We need to go ahead and install that as well. Now, once those are done activating or installing, you can click on activate right here. The kind of annoying thing is that it prompts you, and you're going to have to come back to the plugins page. So it's just basically saying, all right, congratulations, you installed the plugin. I'm going to close this, and we're going to go back over here to plugins, and we're going to go to, actually right here, we'll click on installed plugins now, because I want to show you how to delete plugins. So right here we have the WordPress starter, and we don't need this because this is actually default with SiteGround, and it's not necessary for the tutorial. So right here, just click on deactivate. And if you really want to get rid of it, just click on delete and then click on OK. Now right here we have a plugin, and this plugin right here, it's installed on our website, but it's not active. So whenever you want to activate a plugin, click on activate. And there you go. Now, in case you want to know what this is that this is an add-on for this page builder. So it basically gives you more features than the actual page builder itself. But right here, click on add new. We need to install just a few more. So the next one we're going to install is Envato Elements. So this right here will actually give you access to tons of templates. And for those of you who are trying to find a niche or trying to build a website, this plugin right here will give you a lot of good ideas. So right here, you'll click on install now. All right, it's installing. Okay. And we're going to install two more. We're going to install something called Pretty Links. Pretty Links. Now, in short, what this does right here is that this is the plugin right here, and I personally use this on my websites. What this does right here, this will cloak affiliate links, and you're going to learn more about. It's like making your link a little bit cleaner. So when you get affiliate links, they're very messy and dirty, and this right here will make it really clean and really simple, and it'll make it really attractive for people to click on. Also, right here, we'll type in Yoast. And Yoast is basically how your website gets found on the search engine. And you can see here more than 5 million active installs. It is the most popular plugin out there for SEO. There's also Rank Math as well. If you do want to try Rank Math, I have a tutorial on it as well, but I'm not going to really cover it in this video because I've already made videos specifically for it. So we've installed the actual plugins that we need. We need to install one more right here. And the last one we're going to install is called Really Simple SSL. Now, what this plugin does is, you see this little X mark right here that says not secure? I mean, this makes your site look really scammy, and people will get a warning about going to your website. The problem is that you do have an SSL, it's just not activated. So right here, click on install now. All right, okay, cool. And right here, you'll click on activate. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this ugly minus check mark on your website, because this will actually prevent visitors from visiting your website. Go back to your account right here under your site tools, and right here we have HTTP enforce, and this is going to give you that little green padlock on your website. So right here you'll click on get SSL, And the SSL, you can just use anyone. I mean, just use a Let's Encrypt. It's just like a basic one. It's just something to shut everyone up. So right there, you'll click on Get. Okay, I actually had to use the Let's Encrypt wildcard. So make sure you install the Let's Encrypt wildcard. That one actually worked for me. The other one, I just got a really weird error. You can see here how the certificate has been activated. And we can go to our website right now, and we can actually refresh our website. Now, before you do this, before you click on Activate the SSL, make sure you write down your password, because it's going to actually kick you out of your website, and you're going to have to log in. And I'm going to show you how to log into your website. So right here, click on Go ahead and activate the SSL. So right here, I'm going to enter in my login information right here. So here, I'll go ahead and enter it in. All right, and I'll click on Log in. Here, I'll click on Save, etc. All right, so we now have the SSL that's working on our website. Now, when you're working with WordPress, you're gonna get these annoying notices, and just close them, guys. It's just part of how it goes. These guys want to make money, they want to market to you, so that's just how it goes, unfortunately. But right here, click on Plugins and click on Installed Plugins. So right here we have Envato Elements, Pretty Links, and Yoast. So we want to go ahead and activate all three of these. So right here, I'll click on this one, and this one. Go over here to activate and click on apply. And I'm going to activate all of these at the same time. So right here, Pretty Links, etc. But we're not going to use this just yet, but you will need this for your affiliate blog, because it's actually really recommended. Let's go back over here to plugins, installed plugins. Make sure these are all installed correctly, and they are. So congratulations. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create some pages and also create a menu. So let's just go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna go back over here to dashboard, and over here under pages, I'll click on all pages. Now I don't need these pages right here. So whenever you want to delete a page, just click on that, or just click on one, click on trash, or you can just do this, move to trash, apply. It's all the same.